Hello YouTubers. You're probably asking yourself, what the heck is that mess? It looks like something that came out of the La Brea's tar pits. No, it's actually my compost worm castings tea. It is one of the most micronutrient dense solutions that you can feed your plants, and it is made with just a couple of ingredients and a very easy setup to get started, and you yourself can make your own for a very reasonably priced setup and for the ingredients. So let me go through the ingredients list that I use for mine. I use regular molasses and a cup for 5 gallons, 1 cup. I also put in sea kelp, which I got that entire bag of sea kelp for $4 on kelpforless.com, and it calls for a tablespoon per gallon of water. So you can see that bag has lasted me a long time, and it really puts in some really good micronutrients as well. Then I have a large size tea bag for the worm compost castings. I got that on Amazon, and it's perfect because it's reusable and plastic, and you just fill, that's about all the worm casting it takes for the 5 gallons there, and all those great micronutrients are in there and multiplying. And that's when you put your molasses in, and basically I've got the same thing going in this bucket, because what I've got to as part of the setup is a aquarium motor with the dual output, and actually costs $12 on Amazon with the dual outputs. And the way I've got it set up here, and this comes with it, it's a actual rock drop where you can drop the rock in the water and it weights it down, and it comes with it to keep the stone down at the bottom of the water of the bucket, so it really aerates the entire bucket. And then there's also a check valve that comes with it that keeps the tea from leaking back down into the motor. So it just drops down in there and continues to keep the tea oxygenated so that the microorganisms continue to grow. I'm going to let this run for about 24 hours, and it'll be ready with just teeming with micronutrients and bacteria for my little plants here that I'm going to be watering with it. That'll eventually go in my little garden setup out here. But if you're looking for a easy, inexpensive, great form of fertilizer, natural organic form of fertilizer for your plants, check out the worm casting tea. Again, it's very inexpensive to set up, and it really is a fantastic addition to your gardening fertilizing needs. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button down below. Thank you, and have a great day.